Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we to explain uh, some problem about ratio. Question number one: find the ratio of uh, find the ratio of 6 rupees each to 72 rupees per dozen. 6 rupees each ratio 72 rupees per dozen mean 72 rupees per dozen because 6 rupees each mean 72 rupees per dozen and 72 rupees per dozen. So ratio is equal to 1:1. This means that ratio of 6 rupees each to 72 rupees per dozen is 1:1. Question number 2: find the ratio of 160 per meter to 150 per meter. So RS 160 per meter ratio 150 per meter. So 160 and 150 dividing both sides by 10. So ratio is 16:15. Next problem, problem 3. Find the ratio of 72 per 24 72 per 24 to rupees 4 each. Solution: RS 72 per 24 ratio RS 4 each. RS 3 72 per 24 means 72 divided by 24, which is 3. So RS 72 per 24 means RS 3 each. So ratio is 3:4. Next question. A square A has 2 centimeter. Square A has 2 centimeter and square B has 6 centimeter. Find the length of the side of the square A to the length of the side of the square B. The perimeter of the square A to the perimeter of the square B. The area of the square A to the area of the square B. We have to find all these ratios. So length of side A, length of side of square A is 2 centimeter. Ratio, but length of the side of square B is 6 centimeter. Now dividing 2 by 2 and 6 by 2, which is 3. So the ratio of the length of side must be 1:3. Perimeter of square A ratio perimeter of square B. So perimeter of square A is 4 multiplied by 2 because A and B are square, which is 8, and perimeter of square B is 4 multiplied by 6, which is 24. Now by simplification we get 1:3 is the required ratio between perimeter of A and perimeter of B. Area of A ratio area of B. Area of square A is 2 centimeter whole square, but area of square B is 6 centimeter whole square. 2 centimeter whole square is equal to 4 and 6 centimeter whole square is equal to 36. Now by simplification we get the ratio between the square A and the area between the square A and B is 1:9. Means 1:9 is the ratio between areas of square A and square B. Example 5. If A ratio B is equal to 3, then find the ratio of 6A ratio to B. So A ratio B is equal to 2:3, which can be written as A by B is equal to 2/3. Now multiplying 6 by 2 on both sides, we get 6A divided by 2B. So this is equal to 2/1. So 6A ratio 6B is equal to 2:1. Next problem, question number 6. Question number 6. A triangle has sides length 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. Find the ratio of the length of the side of one another. Find the ratio of the lengths of the side to one another. Let the length of the three sides of a triangle are A, B, and C. So A ratio B is equal to 3:4. So ratio between side A and B is 3:4. Ratio between B and C is 4:6. So by simplification we get 2:3. Ratio between side C and A, C ratio A is equal to 6 centimeter. Ratio 3 centimeter. By simplification we get 2:1 centimeter. 2:1. Problem 7. Two angle in a triangle are 54 centimeter, 54 degree, and 72 degree. Find the ratio of the third angle to the sum of the first two. Let 54 degree as alpha and 72 degree as beta. This is the first two angles. And the third angle is gamma. Now we know that the sum of the measures of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree by theorem. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 180 degree. So by putting gamma is equal to 180 degree minus alpha minus beta. So by putting the value of alpha and beta, we get gamma as 54 degree. So ratio of third angle to the sum of first two is equal to 54 degree. Ratio 72 plus 54 degree. So this is equal to uh, 54 degree ratio 126 degree. By simplification, this is equal to 3 ratio 7. Next problem, question number 8. Ali father earn a salary of Rs 40,000 in a month, while his father monthly expenditure is Rs 35,000. Find the ratio of his father income to expenditure, ratio expenditure to saving, ratio of income to saving. So salary is 4,000 and expenditure is 35,000. Now what is saving? Saving will be equal to 40,000 minus 35,000 because 35 is the expenditure and 40,000 is the salary. So saving is 5,000. Now required ratio are uh, income income to expenditure, income ratio expenditure, which is equal to 40,000 ratio 35,000. By simple simplification, we get a ratio between income and expenditure is 8 ratio 7. Now ratio between expenditure and saving, expenditure is equal to 35,000 and saving is 5,000. By simplification, we get ratio between expenditure and saving is 7 ratio 1. Now income to saving ratio, income is equal to 40,000 and saving is 5,000. So income to saving ratio is 8 ratio 1. Question number 9. A square A has 6 centimeter and square B has 8 centimeter. Find the ratio of the length of a square A to the length of the side of square B. Find the area and the ratio of the area of square A to the area of square B. Length of the side of square A is 6 centimeter, but area of uh, area of the square A is equal to 6 centimeter whole square is equal to 36 because A is square. So side multiplied by side will be the area. Length of the square B is equal to 8 centimeter. So area of the square B is equal to 8 centimeter whole square, which is equal to uh, 64 square centimeter. So required ratio is length of the side of A ratio length of the side of B, which is equal to 6 ratio 8. By simplification 3 ratio 4. Area of A ratio area of B. So area of A is equal to area of A is equal to 36 centimeter square centimeter and area of B is 64 square centimeter. By simple simplification, which is equal to 9 ratio 16. Question number 10 or problem 10. A family has 12 feet, of which 6 are cats, 12 are dogs, and the rest are birds. Find the ratio of the number of dog, birds to feeds. Number of feeds is 12, cats is 6, and the number of dogs is 2. So birds is equal to 12 minus 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. So the number of birds is 4. So ratio are birds to dog is 4 ratio 2, which is equal to 2 ratio 1. Birds to feeds is equal to 4 ratio 12, which is equal to 1 ratio 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for further videos.